Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Slauson. So in this video, I'm only going to be doing 2 and 3 with you, and then I want you to go to the other video and watch how the individual or Mrs. Hampton did those, because she does standard to vertex form a little differently than I do. Not that much, but I don't want it to throw you off. So this is where we complete the square, and when I do that, I'm going to group my x's together. And as I group these x's together, I always want to take a number out. So on the third problem, I will be taking this 3 out. And when I do that, I'll factor it out of the x squared and the 18x to make that a 6x. And then I'm going to add my box. And then I'm going to subtract my box. So when I do number 2, I'm going to act like there's a 1 there, and I'm going to factor that 1 out, and I'll still have x squared plus 8x plus, now I'll make my box minus 3 and then minus my box. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish number 2. So from there, I take this number, I cut it in half for 4, and then I square that number for 16, and that will go in my first box. And then the number in my second box will come from the bunny hop. 1 times 16 is 16. So from there, my final answer is going to look like this. The number that's in front of my parentheses will go here. In the parentheses will always be an x, and then the number that's in front of this squared is going to be the number that's in front of this squared, so positive 4. And then I'm going to go to the end, and I'll do negative 3, subtract 16 more, and I get a minus 19. And there is my answer for 2. Sorry for the bad handwriting. I don't write well on this. Now in my other one, now what I'll do is I will take 6 cut in half for 3. 3 squared is 9, and then that 9 goes in my first box. To get the second box, I'll now do my bunny hop. 3 times 9 is 27. And now to get my final answer, the number in front of the parentheses, the 2 things in the parentheses, and the thing out of the parentheses. The 3 in front of my parentheses will go here. What's in front of this squared will be what's in front of this squared, and it always starts with an x. And then I will take 2 and subtract 27 for a negative 25, and then that is my answer for number 3. So at this point, you can stop the video, move into the other video, and then when you get to question 2 and question 3, just fast forward and then pick up with 4, 5, and 6. That's it.